What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Today we're sitting outside a Dairy Queen and we're trying Dairy Queen's all new Drumstick Blizzard. If you guys have ever had the Drumstick cones, you can buy them in the store. You can buy them from the ice cream man. I have a cotton candy blizzard on my hand from Riley. You can buy them a lot of different places. It's just the cone with the chocolate layer inside and vanilla ice cream, peanuts on the top, chocolate on the top. It's really kind of like a chocolate peanut ice cream sundae in a cone. And they call it a drumstick. So here we go. This is the Drumstick Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Let's do this. Right off the bat, I got a big chunk of drippy. Yeah, very drippy. It's like 84 degrees right now. Very, very warm today. Right off the bat, I got a big chunk of ice cream cone. When I bit into it, you can see that chocolate on there. There's some peanuts in here. Vanilla ice cream. It's got a really great flavor. It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's chocolatey, it's refreshing. This is awesome. I always loved the drumstick. Was always one of my favorite things to get from the ice cream man. And some places they sell the Good Humor ice cream in those little coolers, and they have the king cone or the king drumstick, which is a huge one. I used to buy those sometimes too. But this is really, really good. Wow. You guys gotta get to Dairy Queen right now. I don't know how long they're gonna have this. I'm assuming for the rest of the summer.
It's the Blizzard of the month, I think. That's what the sign says.
So,
inside.
Till end of July, probably?
Oh gosh.
Blizzard of the month. The Dairy Queen Drumstick Blizzard. If I had known this was as good as it was, I probably would have got a medium or a large. This is awesome. I love the crunchy texture. Really, really good. All right, so it's good, but it's melting like crazy, and I don't really have much more to say. On a scale of 1 to 10, for the Dairy Queen Drumstick Blizzard, this thing is a 10 all day. By the way, if I haven't mentioned it, I got the mystery guests next to me, Riley and John, in the back seat, hanging out. We're all having some blizzards for the day after the 4th of July. I hope you guys' summers are going great. And that's all I gotta say. So go get yourself a Drumstick Blizzard at Dairy Queen and let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out. And remember, before you take the first bite, you gotta stuff it in your pie hole. That's so good.